don't give up, I won't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, I won't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, I won't give up, don't give up, no, no, no.
Hey everyone, it is your girl Boss Lady Lexi coming here to make a unit out of this beautiful blue hair that's right here by Outre Expressions. The things I'm going to be using in here is these black hair glue sticks that you use in a hot gun. I have scissors here, a comb. This will be the dome cap that I will be wearing, and this is the hot glue gun that I will be using. Now over here, I've already placed the wig cap on here, but since I'm going to be using glue, I placed a plastic bag underneath the bottom so that the glue doesn't adhere to the cork head right there. So I'll be back in just a moment with the starting of making this. I have started. I have the 22-inch here in the back, and I was just getting rid of the white glue that was in the glue gun. And this is what I have so far. There we go. Let's come back this way. So we are almost there. Okay, everyone, I am back again. I don't know if you all can see this very well, but I am almost at the top. Well, I am at the top of her head, and this is what's left that I have to fill in. So I will be filling this in, and I'll come back and show you what the final result is of this wig making process.
Listen. Last night, me and my wife were up to midnight with our 3-year-old. Had to take him to emergency room because he had walking pneumonia. And see, you know, you take health for granted until it's your health. Listen. Last night, me and my wife were up to midnight with our 3-year-old. Had to take him to emergency room because he had walking pneumonia. And see, you know, you take health for granted until it's your health.
Any shedding is because I did cut the wefts when I made this unit. Alright everyone, I have just finished making this unit. It took me over an hour, probably 2 hours, because I just really like to take my time. I am really loving this hair, and that black glue is the best glue ever. I did get it off of Amazon. I will try to place the link in the description box, but I am finished. It is very beautiful. I used it came with 4 bundles. I used like maybe 3 pieces of the less 16-inch in here. So this is all basically 22, 20, and 18 inches. Mm-hmm.